is 1 cup of, what is 1 cup of? 1 cup of, can you see here? I'll show you. Cream of chicken soup. So I'm making this for my stuff of cat. You can see cat, all the everything is empty here. So I'm making for them soup, chicken soup. So first I'll cook it and then I'll show what I'll do. This is for my cats. This is a chicken one. Then I'll use inside this one. And then some bread. After cooling it, blend it. Go in the blender machine. Because of this much, it will go in good blend. Just give good blend and it's ready. I think this is 6 to 7 or 8 dirhams, and this is 3 dirhams. This stuff will go in one meal, just one meal. And then take, cool down. Let's add some puree. Wait. Shh. Hey. Hot. No, it's hot. Wait. I'll show you afterwards. Add inside bread. Mash it. Add a little bit water. Wait. Little bit water. And this will be a little bit more than this. I think get serve 4 or 5 cats here. They're from outside. I'll make a good meal for them and give them. I'll show you after blending it. Hot. Hey. I see the over. Thank you for watching.